Hi, it's math time with Mrs. Depperschmidt. We're going to review some of the concepts we've worked on with fractions so that the test will be really easy when it's time to go to work. I've created a review summary for us to work through, and I'll just read the questions and help you figure out the answers as we go. It's a little bit different for a math video, but I thought we'd try it this time. The instructions are to choose the correct word for each pink cloud. And the first item says, in the fraction 4/5, 4 is the blank and 5 is the blank. I'm pretty sure you know that 4 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Working on our way, here comes the next part. 1/3 and 2/3 make a whole. 1/3 and 3/9 are equivalent fractions because they both refer to the same amount. 2/8 and 3/12 are equivalent to 2/8 and 3/12 are equivalent to 1/4 in its simplest form. Like fractions have the same denominators, and unlike fractions have different denominators. These are things we've talked about in school, and the summary actually exactly matches the chapter review that you took home last week. Here are some pictures, and you'll need to decide which picture shows 2/6, which picture shows 3/8, and which picture shows 6/12. I'm sure you can count the colored parts and find the answers for those three. Next, we have some more equivalent fractions that have pictures to go with them. This shows that 1/2 is the same as how many fourths? And it's exactly the same thing as some number of something else. As we've done when we draw our pictures of fractions, assume that these are the same size of a whole. And the last one you'll know is cut into 6 pieces, so 6 will be the denominator for that one. As we move along, here are some more fractions that are equivalent. 3/4 is equivalent to how many eighths, and that is also equivalent to how many twelfths. These are the kind of questions you'll find on the test, and we've worked with these several times at school. Here's another example with equivalent fractions. 2/3 is equivalent to how many sixths? And it's also talking about the exact same amount as a certain amount of ninths. It would be a good idea to draw pictures of these if you're stuck. And the last thing you'll be expected to do on this review, we'll have another a part 2 of a test review in the next video. Simplify 8/12. The way to simplify is by dividing, and this fraction can be divided twice to get it to its simplest form. Right, I'm excited about the upcoming test. We'll do some more, I'll show some more review questions in the next video. Hope you're having a great day, and remember to please be kind.